G'day, legends. Don't know if you can see it, but my breath is steaming. It is that cold here right now that I've got a little heater under my little desk, and I'm going to try and get this one out quick. Haven't got any notes written down today because not a lot of the technical stuff matters at the moment as far as. Let me explain that. All right. Everything is going to plan for the bull market for what we've been waiting for. I've got a short I'm about to put out talking about Ethereum and how it's going up. That's what we've been waiting for. Ethereum is the largest altcoin. So Bitcoin's, the number one coin. The largest altcoin alternative is Ethereum. You cannot have alt season without Ethereum taking off, essentially. So Ethereum's had a nice big week. It's up quite substantially for the week. Can't remember the numbers off my head, top of my head, but I know it got over 3,400. A number that a couple of weeks ago you wouldn't have thought that it would have hit by now. Fantastic news. Bitcoin jumped up to 123,000, a bit over that, and it's pulled back down to as low as 116,000. That's perfectly fine. It's allowed to do that. It's just a pullback. Excuse me. So why did Bitcoin go up so fast? You're probably wondering. The main reason, apart from there's lots of bullish sentiment and stuff going on, the main reason was actually just liquidation of shorts. There was a lot of people that had shorts, as in they're betting, leverage trading, betting that once it got to a certain point, it would go down. It didn't go down, which means when that happens, those people get liquidated. They lose that leverage trade. They lose that bet. Including myself, I was not on Bitcoin, but I was leverage trading, shorting some meme coins and stuff. And because Bitcoin kept going, they kept going. I lost those trades as well. So there was a lot of leverage lost. It's a very dangerous time for doing leverage trading, and because of that I keep getting caught with my hand in a cookie jar, but that's what learning is about. That's perfectly fine. So it was leverage that caused most of it. This week is a big week for crypto coming up. We've got the three bills, and Trump is saying in the US Congress that he wants to get all three bills passed. It actually looks like only one of them will pass. One failed already this week. It was the Genius one, the one for stable coins. It looks like that one will probably get through. He's gone around and called everyone to make sure that it gets through the next time. But the other two ones haven't actually been through our version of the lower house, I believe. They haven't gone through that yet, so they're not going to be approved. They might get that part approved this week, but the whole thing won't be signed off this week. So it's not going to be as big a bullish news as we all probably expected, saying that it's the big week for crypto. They're calling it Crypto Week with these three bills, but realistically, we're going to get probably one, and the other two they'll get rolling. So it may be a buy the rumor, sell the news type of thing. That's kind of what I'm expecting. But because we are in, starting to heat up into a bull market, we may go up and just keep going up. Not exactly sure. I'm still learning the TA on that type of thing. When I learn it, then I get my computer system set up out here, then I'll start showing those type of things as I get a little bit better at being a crypto YouTuber. It's probably gone from a point of me just doing it for fun. I do it because I like it and enjoy it. But it's probably getting to the stage where I'm getting a little bit more technical about things, but trying to keep it so that it's for newbies. So, that's about it. Lots of our meme coins went up a lot this week. Most of them, there was a lot of ones that averaged around the 30% mark. And I'm just going to leave it there because, as I said, it's bloody cold. It's Friday night. It's about 10:30 on a Friday night, and I'm sitting in my cold shed, and you can see my breath. So If you've got to this point, just chuck a like, subscribe if you want to. That's up to you. And I'll keep bringing you news. Have a great evening. Do something nice for someone else. Crypto Bogan out.